Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be looking at the self-credit builder and I'm going to be explaining in detail how it works. Now by the end of this video you're going to understand everything you need to know about self-credit builder and you should be able to work out whether it's right for you and your individual needs. So to start with, what actually is self-credit builder? Self-credit builder is a credit building tool that helps people with no credit or bad credit establish a positive credit history. It's a type of credit builder loan that allows you to build credit while saving money. So now that we know what it is, how exactly does it work? You see, when you open a self-credit builder account, you can choose the loan amount and the term. You can then make monthly payments on your loan. And as long as you make your payments, self-reports your payment history to the three major credit bureaus: Experian, Equifax, and also TransUnion. And this helps you establish a positive credit history. So what are the benefits of using self-credit builder? To start with, it will improve your credit score. The self-credit builder helps improve your credit score by reporting your on-time payments to all three credit bureaus. The average customer raises their credit score by 49 points. It also helps you build savings. While you're building credit, you can also build savings. The money you pay towards your credit builder account turns into savings once you've paid off the account. There's also flexible payment options. Self offers 4 payment plans between $25 and $150 per month, all of which take 24 months to complete. This allows you to choose a plan that fits your budget. You also have access to a secured credit card. After making 3 on-time payments and having paid at least $100 into your credit builder account, you become eligible for the Self Visa secured credit card. There's also nationwide availability. Self Credit Builder is one of the few credit builder loans available in all 50 states. There's also no credit check required. Self doesn't perform a hard credit inquiry, which means your credit score won't be negatively affected when you apply. And finally, it helps start a savings account or an emergency fund. And this is because the credit builder account can also serve as a savings account or an emergency fund. So is Self Credit Builder right for you? Whether or not self-credit builder is right for you depends on your individual circumstances. If you have no credit history or bad credit history, then self-credit builder can be a valuable tool for helping you establish a positive credit history. However, it is important to consider the following factors before deciding if self-credit builder is right for you. You first have to think about the amount of money you can afford to save. Self-credit builder requires you to make monthly payments on your loan, so you want to make sure you can afford these payments before you open an account. You also have to consider your credit goals. Self-credit builder can help you improve your credit score, but it's not a quick fix. It can take several months or even years to build a strong credit history. And finally, you got to consider other credit building options. There are other credit building options available, such as secured credit cards and credit building loans. So you want to consider all of your options before making a decision. So after all of this, if you're still unsure whether or not self-credit builder is right for you, you can always contact Self Customer Service for more information or head over to their website for more info. So this has been my video on the self-credit builder, and hopefully now that you've watched this video, you understand exactly what it is, how it works, and how it will benefit you if you decide to use it. Now, if you found this video helpful, please go ahead and comment down below to say this helped you out, and also like and subscribe to see more content like this. Thanks for watching.